Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a university vlog. First, clarify your video's purpose, which truly is the foundation of an engaging channel. Think about your unique perspective. Perhaps you focus on study tips, campus tours, or student life hacks. Develop a clear content strategy and then outline your specific video ideas. This planning helps you maintain consistency and authentically connect with your viewers, ensuring every piece of content feels intentional. When you are ready to film, prioritize good lighting, as it makes a huge difference in video quality. Natural sunlight coming from a window often provides the best results for free. Vary your shots to keep viewers interested. Include wide campus views, close-ups of notes, and even quick time lapses of study sessions. Hold your camera steady, using a tripod if you have one, or simply bracing your arms. Good, stable footage makes for a much more professional outcome, even with basic equipment. Editing brings your story to life, transforming raw clips into a cohesive narrative. Start by cutting out any awkward pauses or repetitive sections to keep the pace quick and engaging. Introduce background music that enhances the mood but remains subtle, always ensuring your voice is clear and prominent. Consider adding simple text overlays to emphasize key points, or maybe to introduce new locations on campus. Remember, the goal is to tell a clear, concise story that resonates with your audience and keeps them watching until the very end. Once your vlog is polished, it is time to share it with the world. Craft a compelling title and description, using keywords that potential viewers might search for. Design a custom thumbnail that immediately grabs attention and gives a clear preview of your video's content. After uploading, actively promote your video across your social media channels and relevant online communities. Engaging with comments and feedback is also crucial for building a loyal audience, fostering a strong connection with your growing community.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.